Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm interested in learning English. I want to take a course, but I'm not sure where to start.
Well, there are a lot of options out there, so it can be overwhelming. Can you tell me a little bit about your goals for learning English?
Sure, I want to improve my English skills so that I can communicate better with people in my professional and personal life. I also want to be able to travel to English speaking countries with confidence.
That's great to hear. Having clear goals like that will help you stay motivated and focused. Have you looked into any specific courses or programs yet?
Not yet. I'm not sure where to start.
Well, there are a few things you can consider when choosing a course. First, you'll want to think about the format of the course. Do you want to take a traditional classroom course, or would you prefer something online?
I think I'd prefer an online course because it would be more flexible with my schedule.
That's a good point. Another thing to consider is the level of the course. Make sure you find a course that matches your current skill level so that you're not too overwhelmed or bored.
Good idea. What else should I consider?
It's also important to think about the reputation of the course provider. Look for reviews from other students to see if they had a positive experience. You can also check if the course is accredited by a reputable organization.
That makes sense. Do you have any specific recommendations for online courses?
There are a lot of good options out there, but some popular ones are Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. They all offer different features and approaches, so I recommend looking into each one to see which one fits your learning style and goals.
Thanks. I'll do some research on those. Do you have any tips for staying motivated while learning a new language?
Yes, staying motivated can be a challenge, but there are a few things you can do to make it easier. First, set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Find ways to make learning fun, like watching TV shows or movies in English or practicing with a language exchange partner. And finally, don't be too hard on yourself. Learning a new language takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself.
Those are great tips. Thank you. I'm excited to start my English learning journey.
You're welcome. I'm excited for you too. Remember, if you have any questions or need any help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to me or your course provider. Good luck.